What's going down, y'all? Welcome to episode 17 of Better Than Bad, the Celebrity Knockout Edition. So I've been doing some research. I mean, what's popping off right now with Tekashi, Nick Cannon, Ludacris? Holy jeez. So here's what's up. Here's my take on it. Tekashi would not even be famous if it wasn't for Blake Weber making fun of his popsicle ass. Nick Cannon, straight up G. And then you got Luda. He is the OG. If Luda says he ain't gonna be around, there's a reason for that. He's one of the original gangsters in the scene, dude. Nick Cannon's been all over the spot, man. Not only is he a cool cat, he's respected. With all that said, I think I'm gonna make a celebrity knockout poster. I don't even know. So I literally have no ideas. So I'm just gonna jump straight into this. And let's see who wins.